Westville has a land area of 84.4 square miles. In 2015, the population density was 22.5 people per square mile. In 2016, the population was 2,000 people. By how many people did the population of Westville increase between 2015 and 2016? So we know that our formula for population density is the population density is equal to the population divided by the area. So the question wants us to figure out by how many people did the population increase or grow between 2015 and 2016. They straight up tell us that in 2016 there were 2,000 people. So we have that part. But to figure out how many people lived there in 2015, we're going to have to use the population density formula. So we already know that the population density in 2015 was 22.5 people per square mile. So we're going to take that 22.5 and substitute it in for population density. So we know that the 22.5 is equal to x, because we do not know our population, divided by 84.4, because 84.4 is the area of land. So here we're doing the population density formula, but we're solving for population. So if we want to get x by itself, to undo dividing by 84.4, we need to multiply both sides of our equation here by 84.4. Remember, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you have to do to the other side. On the right-hand side here, these 84.4s are just going to make a big 1. So they make a big 1 for us. We have one on the top and one on the bottom. We can't cross them out. They turn into a big 1. So then we have x is equal to whatever 84.4 times 22.5 is. When we do that, we get x is equal to 1,899. So now to figure out how much the population grew between 2015 and 2016, we need to take our population in 2016, which was 2,000, and we need to subtract the population in 2015, which was 1,899. So to answer the question and figure out how much the population grew, you need to use Desmos to do 2,000 minus 1,899.